Today we are going to see about lines and stacked column chart. So already we have discussed about stacked chart, right? Stacked bar and stacked column. So what it will happen in that chart? So if you are applying two more values, it will fill on the top. So when you want to show overall performance, you can go for stacked column chart, right? Here we can able to add line chart also. How it's possible? Let's see. Okay, I'll choose this line chart, and here you can see x-axis and column y-axis, line y-axis. So which one you want as a column, you have to choose in this column y-axis. Which one you want line, then you have to choose line y-axis. So for example, I want to show city-wise sales, okay, and cost. So I'm filling like this. So this is I'm showing everything in bar, right? If I want to show something in line, then you can choose. So for example, how many sales rep count I need to show in my line chart. So automatically when I'm choosing this line, automatically here one range was created. Why the separate range was created? Because the sales rep, when we can see the table, sales rep names will be there. It is a text. It shows the only the count value. So before the sales and count, cost and all, it is taking based on the sale value and cost value, but it is taking a count of that particular sales rep. So that's why specifically one range was created for line chart, and based on the range it was selected. So for indoor, average 25 to 20 30 peoples are working in indoor, and Bangalore it should be 41, and Hyderabad it should be 54. Likewise we can able to see, we can able to show. So this one is total of that particular product. So for example, I am using some different location. So Mumbai, one location is this much and another location is this much. So the stacked bar, it should be like that, right? Here I used different data, but where I will use the stacked, that overall performance. So when I want to show the overall performance, so for example, I have two team, I want to show the total two team sale value, then I can choose the stacked chart. In that scenario, I'm adding how many people are working in that team. Okay, it is quite important. Why? Because so mostly, so Mumbai is highest sale count, then obviously the people also we need to check. So for example, less count is there, more sale, it is a good one, right? Based on that we need to check actually. So whether say why the sale is less, whether because of the count, people count, or whether people count is high but still they are not working. How, what is the reason? To find this, we can use this line chart, line and stacked. So overall performance, and also I'm showing like how many peoples are in that particular team, right? Okay, so the next one is line and clustered chart. It is also remains same, but instead of stacked it will show like clustered. When I'm clicking this clustered, automatically it is changing like clustered method. So differentiation between one team to another team. Okay, so one team how much he did. So for example, this consider blue, light blue is one team and dark blue is one team. So team one is standing higher than team two in all the places, right? So then obviously team one is performing good and team two is performing less. So that scenario was also I already explained in cluster chart. So you want to show additional things, then we can use this line and cluster chart. That time you can use a line for showing the numbers, not only numbers. If you want to show separately, then you can use this line and cluster chart. Okay, thanks for watching.